Now we want to check back in with Fox 23's Naomi Kitt. She is in a neighborhood near 41st and Yale. Naomi, what are you seeing new now?
We see a lot of trees downed in this neighborhood. If you can see here, this was in one of the people's front yards. The home next door was the homeowner we brought you live just about an hour ago, the tree that fell in his backyard. And you can see that these branches and the trees are just snapped in half, some of them. That's all over this neighborhood. Earlier, we saw neighbors helping each other out, picking up some of these branches. The worst damage in this neighborhood seems to be that man's house where the tree fell on the back of the house and then actually punctured inside the house as well. They tell me they do have insurance, so that's some good news for them this morning. If you can take a look at power crews here, there are several downed power lines in the back of some of these backyards. We have seen crews picking those up, putting those back together, hopefully getting power restored to the people here. They tell me they still don't have power, they don't have that cable, they don't have their internet. They're using their phones for a lot of their services right now. So you can see power crews working hard to make sure that power gets turned back on for those people today. And so we're right behind the area that has some of the worst devastation on 41st Street. These are the homeowners who live back here who have seen some of their own damage, but not nearly as bad as our reporters who are showing you the damage on 41st Street this morning. On Fox 23 News at 5, I did get a chance to talk with that homeowner. I told you we interviewed him live here. I'm putting together his story for you at 5. Reporting live in Midtown Tulsa, covering news that matters. I'm Naomi Kitt, Fox 23 News.
And again, in that same area, of course, we've been in the 41st and Sheridan area, 41st and Yale area, really throughout the morning, showing you that damage. And several big businesses in the area of 41st and Sheridan were damaged. And Fox 23's Jenny Young is live looking at some of those really more industrial businesses in that area that got damaged.
Yeah, industrial park that, this is the industrial area that stretches for several miles. Guys, right now, we just don't know how much is damaged. Nobody can really tell us. We have people who have driven up here saying they think maybe at 2 or 3 miles of this area could be damaged, but officials can't give us an account because nobody can really get back there right now. I mean, they're working on getting these power lines up. They're working on trying to get with the owners to find out like what needs to be next. As far as this building right here to my left, several 100,000 square feet. Nobody can go in there until the city says that it's safe. We have police out here blocking it. They've been blocking it for hours. The one right here in front, directly in front of us, you see with its side, the brick side blown off. That I am told that building is vacant. That is what one guy who works out here tells me. To my right, Oklahoma Restoration Company. They have been working all morning to get all of their products out of that building. They are the only people, though, who are allowed in their building because they've been working in here since 1:30. So right now, the big thing is how many businesses are damaged. If you do own a business in this industrial park, police tell me go to Promenade Mall. That's where the staging area is. Then you can go from there and maybe get in your business. But we'll stay out here, continue to get answers for you guys. We'll be back on Fox 23 News at 5. Reporting live in Midtown, covering news that matters. Jenny Young, Fox 23 News.
Fox 23's Sarah Whaley has new information live from 46th and Memorial. Sarah.
Shay, we've been showing you all morning the damage to the power poles here. The power company is here and they're trying to start working to get it restored right now. You can see, I want to show you, this is a power pole that was just split in half and then it dug into the ground and almost took a divot of that grass before it landed right there. Now, it's kind of dangerous out here. I want you guys to know, police are saying, please just stay home. Don't come out in this area. There's almost been several accidents right here because this power pole right here, or power pole, traffic light is now all the way over here. So, and I almost did it myself. You're coming through this 46th and Memorial intersection and you don't realize that there's a traffic light here. They do have 46 shut down right here now, but it's just dangerous. A lot of people looking, so they're asking people just to avoid this area so they can get this power on, get the damage assessed, and try to get things as much back to normal as they can. I'm actually going to talk to the general manager of this car dealership that has sustained so much damage. I will be putting his story together for Fox 23 News tonight at 5 and also at 9. Reporting live here in East Tulsa, covering news that matters. Sarah Whaley, Fox 23 News.
And